Shenzhen Zhongtian Door Company Limited, founded in 2004, with a land area of 6,300 square meters. The group is located in Zhangbei Community, Longgang District, Shenzhen City. It enjoys a good production and operation environment, being 60 kilometers away from Shenzhen Baoan International Airport and 6 kilometers away from Yantian Port. It is adjacent to Hong Kong and multiple express freeways to the west, north, and east, enjoying convenient traffic conditions. Shenzhen Zhongtian Door Company Limited specialized in production of residential garage doors, motors rails, and related accessories. Our company can manufacture garage door opener with different force, power, and operation speed, and rails with different structure, length, and thickness, according to the client's special requests. The opener is popular used in both residential and commercial settings, such as household garages for 1 car and 2 cars, and doors for industrial uses, including warehouses, storage spaces, with an annual production capacity of 150,000 sets, and sell to Europe, Africa, Australia, South America, and more than 30 customers. Our products have passed and earned multiple international certifications, including CE, Rohs, FCC, SAA, and Quality Certification Systems ISO 9001-2015, and Environmental Certification Systems ISO 14001-2015, which ensure the stable quality for our customers. You are more than welcome to connect with us and visit our factory.